Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you have seen my previous videos. If not, welcome. My name is Shauna. I am a New York City based model who now lives in New Jersey, a makeup lover, visual artist, and just creative person in general. And today I'm going to be using some products from my first IPSY Glam Bag X. It's my first IPSY bag period. I picked up this bag and honestly just started the subscription because of this Athr Beauty Moonlight palette. When they were sneak peeking this, I knew that I had to get it. I love, love, love the color story. It is so ethereal. It is right up my alley, and I mean, yeah, I'm so excited to play with this. Yeah, I have high hopes for this because I do have a few of the other Athr palettes and I do enjoy their formula. But it will be nice to see how the colors perform because I am a little more strict about my expectations for colors because it's easier to do neutrals. So I will be basing this off of my expectations for color cosmetics in general. I think a lot of people give like clean beauty brands too much leeway when it comes to performance, and I base it off of general standards. Like it needs to perform well in general for me, not perform well for a clean beauty brand. So yeah, but yeah, looking at it, like it looks stunning. Like I've seen Tyla do swatches on her arm and they were live swatches and they were stunning. So I definitely think it's going to perform well and I'm going to love it. I'm also going to use most of the other makeup products that were in well, it's called a bag, but it technically comes in a box. I already used the Glow Recipe Watermelon. It's like a long name, but basically it's a mask. It's a clay mask that has hyaluronic acid in it, and there's some seeds in it, so it definitely gives an exfoliating factor as well. I have the About Face Light Lock Highlight Fluid in the shade, what does that say? Fight or Flight. The component, the packaging in this is really, really beautiful. And this whole bag was curated by Halsey, and this is her brand. It's like a pinky rose gold color, so I definitely will be using that. Probably applying it with my fingers since it's a liquid. And then I chose the Rowan Beauty, what is this? It says Kiss My, it's a liquid lip product. The color is Charlie. It's like a mauvey, dusty rose pink kind of color. It's a really pretty neutral. I think that will look okay with, yeah, I'm pretty sure that will be fine. And then I have tried before the Fenty Beauty colored mascara. It was like a burgundy color that was a stunning color, but I wasn't crazy about it. But I think it may have been just because of the pigment that was added, because it seems to be really hard to make colored mascara. I've never found one that I really love. But yeah, this is the regular Fenty mascara. What is it called? Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. So I'm definitely excited to finally be trying the original formula in that. And then I also have the Wander Beauty. This is the Skyliner Automatic Gel Liner in the shade Napa Nights. And it's like a wine color, which that's a cute name that they added to it. For some reason I did not open this beforehand to make this easier for me to show it. And I also am going to be trying to film this tutorial in a way where I start and stop a lot so that I can also create a short form tutorial. I definitely am wanting to experiment more with short form tutorials to post on Instagram, maybe Pinterest and TikTok as well, because I know that there is a lot of creators are getting a lot of engagement that way, whereas YouTube is like so saturated and hard to break into. So yeah, it's like a deep wine color. Not sure, let me swatch that on my hand. Oh, actually it's very deep, so like it's essentially brown. So okay, I either probably will use this in the waterline or maybe on the top. We'll see. I may also just stick to my Pacifica, this like very light neutral color like in the waterline, because I personally overall prefer like a lighter color in the waterline because that makes the eyes open up. But anyway, once again, I have made a very long intro. Yeah, this is over 5 minutes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop here and just get into the look. I already know what I'm wearing for the fashion look. Afterward, I am going to be wearing a Haruko Vert look they sent me. So I'm excited about creating some content with that as well. So let's just get into the look and play. First, I'm going in with the shade Moonchild, which is a matte purple shade that is in a lavender tone, and I'm taking this in and above the crease in the intersection of the eye. And next I'm going in with the shade Ritual, which is a matte teal blue, and I'm taking this on the outer half in and above the crease, and I'm taking this shade pretty far out, essentially creating a wing shape. And now on the lid, I'm taking the shade Libra, which is a shimmery green shade. And this, I would say, doesn't show up as vibrantly as it appears in the palette, but it does build up somewhat. And now for the outer half of the lid, I'm taking the shade Sapphire, which is a similar tone to the matte teal, and this is a metallic blue. And now underneath the eye, I'm taking the shade Psyche, which is a royal purple that definitely leans a little blue as well. And I'm pulling this up into the winged shape that we created on the upper section of the eye as well. For the intersection under the eye, I'm taking the shade Insight, and then for the actual inner eye highlight, I'm taking the shade Moondust. Insight is kind of a pinky lavender metallic shade, and Moondust is a pale blue shimmer. Now I'm going in with Athr Beauty's Skyliner Automatic Gel Eyeliner in the shade Napa Nights, which is a nice wine red color. As usual, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in the shade Shady Biz and taking that all over the face to add some sun-kissed bronze. And now I'm going in with the About Face Light Lock Highlight Fluid in the shade Fight or Flight. That is quite a mouthful. This is a pale kind of champagne-y color, but it definitely has a bit of an icy reflect. It's very blinding, but you could just put on a little and it would be more of a glow within. Of course, I love the blinding, and I just tapped this in with my fingers because I thought since it's a liquid, it would apply better that way. And now I'm going in with the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm in the shade Charlie, which is a dusty rose shade. Look, I am pretty happy with how it turned out. I definitely love the eyes. I love the highlighter that is from About Face. I think it's really stunning and definitely one of those like blinding glows. You could just use a tiny bit and it would be more of that like glow from within, but if you're not new to my channel, you know I love the Extreme Glow. I definitely really like the lip product. It has peppermint oil. I can tell without even reading the ingredients. It definitely feels really nice on the lips. Like, I would say it feels somewhere between a bullet lipstick and a gloss. The pigmentation is there. The one product I really did not care for is the Fenty mascara. I had this go all over my face. I don't think it gave that much volume personally. I have yet to try something that for me beats the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I know people don't even talk about that one that much anymore, but for me that is my holy grail mascara, and I need to go back to using that, honestly, because I have been trying new things, but I'm like, nothing is beating that, so I need to go back to that. This, it performed fine. I mean, it's a liner, it works well. I definitely did enjoy this star of the show, the Athr Beauty Moonlight palette. The only shade I was a little disappointed with is this green. I expected it to be more vibrant than it is. And even it's there, I had to build it up quite a bit. But like the purple was the one I started out with, and that was the one that I was kind of concerned about. It worked fine. This shimmer is gorgeous. I will say it shows up a little darker. That's what I used in the outer corner than it appears in the pan. This is a stunning shade. The shimmers are nice other than that green, which is more of a satin, but I just had more hopes for that. But overall, like, I love like the overall effect. Like, it's very dreamy, ethereal, so it definitely gave me what I was wanting. And I definitely will be playing with this more. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is taking me so long to film because I'm working on creating short form content as well, and so I had to keep changing the orientation of my phone because YouTube is in landscape and then every other format is in portrait. So I'm gonna have to get used to that, or maybe do like one or the other with these kind of things, or if nothing else, when I'm doing the short form ones, just do it basically when I've completed the look, because this back and forth is a lot. Changing the phone like on the pieces on the ring light. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Hit the bell notification. Leave me a comment. What are some products that you're interested in? Are there any brands that I used in this that are new to you that you would like to try? For me, the About Face was new. I definitely recommend trying it. I've had my eye on Rowan for a while. I definitely enjoyed this, and I know they have some beautiful shimmery eyeshadows. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.